you paid your dowry? Na kitambo, actually, kitambo people respected the culture. So, for instance, dem akipotea kwao, wazazi the following day asubuhi na mangware. But sahii culture imechange. Sahii dowry imechange, bro.
Sahii ni lipa na M-Pesa.
Anapeleka another man to the same parents. Sasa unajua the more unaleta wengi, the more value inaenda ikidepreciate. Kuna culture, I love some cultures, like kuna culture ya sio ni Ghana or something. Nimelipa mahari yangu, nimeleta wa msichana. So I have that like kuna dem nini tukosane, dem arudi kwao. There is a whole ceremony inaholdiwa kurudisha hiyo mahari.
Kosa kulipa mahari ni noma.
Bro.
Ai.
Sasa umelipa mahari.
I almost lost my younger brother because
bravo, butu achana hiyo story. Have you paid your dowry?
bado.
But then niulize, why should we pay dowry?
I also ask myself the same question. Why should we pay?
Like right now in this era.
But you pay because you are a man. You pay because you are a man and you're supposed to pay. You're supposed
Why?
to. You see, you're supposed to appreciate. You're supposed to appreciate the parents.
But I think kitambo, nasema kitambo, dowry ilikuwa change of ownership. From the parents to the husband. But at that particular time, watu walikuwa na wealth. People had wealth. No? Because when you had a boy, it was pride. When you had girls, you were rich. So kuna hiyo level, like that's how riches were actually exchanged. Sasa hivi unasema for now it's co-appreciate.